In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a Squarespace page quickly and easily so you can remove it from your site navigation without deleting it. This is perfect if you want to keep a page private from your menu, work on it behind the scenes, or simply clean up your website header for a more professional look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website where you want to hide a page. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where Squarespace keeps all of your website settings and page controls. Now click Website and then select Pages. This will open up the full page list for your site, including the pages that are currently visible in your main navigation. Next, look for the page you want to hide under the main navigation section. This is the area where Squarespace places the pages that show up in your website menu. Once you find the page, click and hold the page name. Then drag it down into the Not Linked section at the bottom of the sidebar. As soon as you drop it there, the page will no longer appear in your public website header or navigation menu. That's the main trick here, because moving a page to Not Linked hides it from visitors without actually removing the page from your site. It's a simple but powerful way to control what shows up on your menu. Just keep in mind that even though the page is hidden from navigation, anyone who has the direct URL can still access it. So if the page contains private or sensitive content, you may want to add additional privacy settings or password protection depending on your needs. If you ever want to make the page visible again, you can simply drag it back into the main navigation section, and it will return to your menu right away. So the process is really that easy. Open Pages, find the page under main navigation, drag it into Not Linked, and your navigation is instantly cleaned up. This is one of the fastest ways to manage your Squarespace website without deleting important content. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy website tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.